Well, hindi ko alam kung totoo yun, no? That's just to be confirmed. All that I hope for is, no matter what, the rule of law should be followed. So I hope na meron search warrant at saka walang kasamang taga Bureau of Plant Industry, no? And I hope that eventually magkaroon sana ng win-win solution yan dahil isang dugo, no? Pero yun nga, dito, no, kikita na naman siguro natin yung abuse of power on the part of the other side. Kaya yun nga, kailangan kumpirmahin pa natin kung ano yung mga balitang yan, no? Dahil
So yung napasok na daw po talaga, pinasok po.
well, kung if it's in accordance with law, wala na magagawa natin kung meron search warrant, no? I just hope na, like I said earlier, walang kasama taga Bureau of Plant Industry.
Okay po. Kamusta po yung pakikipagtalakayan sa kanila bilang kliyente nyo sila? Kamusta po yung pakipag-ugnayan nyo?
Well, I was asked to assist other lawyers many months ago. And this is the only case na after all these months, I have not been able to see my clients. The most was, nakausap ko sandali doon sa kabila ng gate, seconds, and then nakausap ko by cellphone, but I have not seen them in person. Nung umiira lang walang habag-batas sa militar, kahit gaano kahirap, nakakita namin ang kliyente namin. Kaya again, ano ba nangyayari? Kung ang cycle is savagery, civilization, and decay, baka nabubulok na tayo. Okay?
Kamusta po yung living conditions nila sa loob? Ano po nababalitaan nyo?
Well, what I know is nahihirapang magpasok ng pagkain. Ang huling report ko, tila 5 araw nang hindi nakapasok ang pagkain. And then medical attendance leaves a lot to be desired. I even understand that there was a death a year ago yata.
Ano po ang plano nyo dito sa kasong ito given na you're against the iglesia?
I have to talk with the other lawyers and we'll do the right thing in the right way. We'll follow the rule of law.